Good evening, everyone. It is March 29th, 2017. We are doing a 2-box break. This is a random hit 2015-16 Leaf Heroes and Prospects number 8. So you're guaranteed to get a hit in this break. There's 2 boxes, 10 cards in each box, 20 spots total. So everybody will get a guaranteed hit. So what we'll do is I'll showcase the two boxes, the hits that come out of the 2 boxes. Then we'll go to random.org, roll this dice. We'll randomize a list of names right here from Nick all the way down to Daniel, Last Spot Mojo. Then I'll pause the video before all this and type in the hits manually. And then we'll randomize the list of names and team or hits, and whatever you match up with is the card you'll get. So let's switch screens. So we have 6 boxes left. Box 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 10. So let's go to random.org one last time and use that true random number generator right above me to generate 2 boxes. So let's go. 1. It is number 4, and that is available. So 1 box will do here, and let's generate 1 more. Number 1. Nice. We did have number 1. So 1 and 4 are the boxes we are doing here. These boxes will be for future Leaf Heroes and Prospects breaks, which will have a ton more. So box 1 and 4. Let's get this going. It's all right, Trev. Hey, we're gonna have we have a ton of OPG Platinum for today in break, so don't even worry about it. All right, first one. 9 of 45. Alexander Chamlevsky. Next one. Max Jones, 17 of 25. Top prospect. Let's take out this really quick. Nice, Nolan Patrick, 12 of 45. Could be the future #1 draft pick in this year's upcoming draft for the NHL. Nolan Patrick. Jansen Harkins, nice big jumbo patch, and that is a 1 of 2. Nice big jumbo patch. Next one. Ooh, look at this. Old Time Hockey Heroes. That is a 1 of 2. Howie Morans. Pretty sure some of you older guys will know this. I have no clue. It says right here, you've received the Old Time Hockey Time Heroes cards from 2015-16 Game Hero Prospects. That is pretty nice. That's a 1 of 2. That is old school right there. More ends? Oh, okay. Looks like he played for the Montreal Canadiens.
Howie? Yeah. Howie Morans.
Nice. That's a nice hero. Yeah, it looks like a goaltender. It looks like a piece of pad.
HOF.
Next one. Nathan Bastian. Prospect signatures. Kinu Yamamoto. Prospect signatures. Jeff DeWitt, 18 of 20 prospect signatures. Red Deer Rebels. Pierre-Luc Dubois, 2 of 10 prospect signatures. We should have one more card, and it looks like it's going to be another hero. And 6 of 15. Rare signature materials. Teemu Selanne. Nice, not bad for somebody that's gonna get this hit for about $12.99 or $11.99.
What?
Teemu Selanne, rare signature materials, 6 of 15. So we had 2 heroes in this box. That's awesome. Do I know where Red Deer is? No, I'm not sure. Where did they play? That's a cool name though. Is it nearby me? Is that why I should know? Alrighty, guys. So this box was empty. Now let's go one more. And then my rifle Red Deer. Oh, okay. Halfway between Calgary and Edmonton. Oh. Alrighty, guys. Next box. Samuel Girard. 23 of 45. That's a 2-color big jumbo patch. Oh, really nice. Look at this. Hero and prospect jersey. Felix Potvin and Xavier Potvin. Wow, is that his son? Maybe nephew? 1 of 30. That's pretty cool to have right there. Nice. That'd be pretty cool. Next one, guys. Jordan Kyrou, 12 of 25. Next one. Matthew McLeod. That is a 1 of 1 jumbo. Michael McLeod, 1 of 1 patch. Felix the Cat, yeah, Potvin. I liked him when he played with the Kings. I know the Kings beat them in the Western Conference Finals before they went to the Stanley Cup Finals, but... Oh, McLeod? Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Yeah, but look at this one. This should have been a 1 of 1 patch, but this is a 2 of 2. Stelio Mateos. Nice, look at that. 2 of 2 jumbo patch. Now this could be considered a 1 of 1, but 2 of 2. Nice big patch. Next one, guys, goes to some autographs. Lucas, prospect signatures. Yeah, the 2 of 2 is actually much better than that 1 of 1, right? Prospect signatures, 27 of 30. That's that Alexander Chemlevitsky. Next one. Vladimir Kuznetsov prospect signatures. Is he related to Evgeny Kuznetsov? Next one. Nice 3-color patch. Vitaly Abramov. And that is a 7 of 10. Nice big 3-color patch and the ink. Auto game jersey. And the last card we have, wow, look at that. Printing plate autograph. Heroes autograph. Mike Eruzione. Nice. 1 of 1. Black plate, Heroes autograph, Mike Eruzione. That is, these are 2 great boxes, guys. Awesome. That'd be pretty good for grabbing one spot right there. Alrighty, guys. So that was it. That was the 2 boxes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pause the video really quick. I'm gonna input these hits into the randomizer, and when we come back, I'll randomize the list of names and the hits, and we'll see who gets what. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. I put in half of these cards, but since I'm such a slow typer, Nick K was just like, you know what, just copy and paste it. So Nick K basically helped this out. Nick K basically typed in the chat. I just copied and pasted, and I sat back. But all the cards are in, guys. All the cards are in. So thanks to Nick K. If you're watching on YouTube, then you don't even have to worry about Nick K helping me out. I mean, you guys are just bam and we're back. But if you're watching live, you can thank Nick. Alrighty, guys. So here's random.org. Here's the list of names from Nick K all the way down to Daniel, Last Spot Mojo. And then here are all the hits from Alexander all the way down to Mike Eruzione, printing plate 101. So let's roll the dice. Wow, 2 and a 1, 3 times. That's easy. 3 times on the names. 1, 2, 3. All right, after 3 times, we got Malcolm. You're at numero 1. Joseph F. A 20. Now let's go 3 times. 1, 2, third and final time. After 3 times, we have Jansen Harkin, 1 of 2 at the top. The Mike Eruzione printing plate is at number 20. Nice. Would you look at that? 1 spot mojo strikes at the bottom. So Malcolm, you get the Jansen Harkins, 1 of 2. Gerald, you get the Chemlevisky, 9 of 45, as well as a Nolan Patrick, 12 of 45. Nick K with the Jordan Cairo, 12 of 15. Andrea with the Yamamoto autograph. Nick K with the big jumbo patch of Stelios Mateos. Nice. That was the big jumbo patch. As well as the Timu Solani, 6 of 15. Nice. Gerald with the Nathan Bastian autograph. Brian Simmons. Nice. Brian Simmons with the Howie Morenz, 1 of 2. Nick K with the 1-of-1. Michael McLeod, 1 of 1. Nick K with the Max Jones. Gerald with the Samuel Girard, 23 of 45. Andrea with the Vladimir Kuznetsov. Karen with the Pierre-Luc Dubois, 2 of 10. Nick with the Chemlevisky, 27 of 30. As well as the Potvin, a hero and prospect, 1 of 30. Nick K with the Jeff DeWitt, 18 of 20. As well as the Abramov, 7 of 10. And Daniel, Last Ball Mojo, gets Lucas Therius autograph. And Joe F, 1 spot mojo, gets the Mike Eruzione printing plate 1 of 1. All right, guys, that was the break. So coming up right after this is O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey, picker team number 1. So let's get that going. Let's get picker team number 2 going. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.